You may not know her name, but Madam C.J. Walker is the embodiment of the American entrepreneurial spirit. Born as Sarah Breedlove in 1867 to freed slaves, she overcame countless challenges to become the first American woman to be a self-made millionaire. Orphaned at 7, married at 14, and widowed at 20, she was a single mother earning just $1.50 a day. She came of age during a time of institutionalized racism and segregation, when blacks had to fight just to survive, let alone thrive. After suffering hair loss, Breedlove developed a tonic she claimed made her hair grow back faster than it had even fallen out. She enlisted her husband, newspaperman Charles Joseph Walker, to advertise directly in black newspapers. Using the name Madam C.J. Walker, she went door to door demonstrating her Walker method of hair care. Soon, Walker employed a fleet of agents who sold her products, harnessing the buying power of the black community. Pioneering a system of multi-level marketing, Walker's agents could earn $15 a day at a time when white workers earned just $11 a week. Opening a factory, building beauty schools and salons, she inspired her employees to become financially independent, despite the enormous societal challenges they faced. Within a few years, the Madam C.J. Walker Manufacturing Company had become an unprecedented success. In the great tradition of American philanthropy, Walker spread this success across the country by funding countless institutions and causes, like anti-lynching campaigns and historic building preservation. And despite her humble beginnings and against all odds, Madam C.J. Walker's hard work and generosity paved the way for American businesswomen for generations.